How to uninstall app on your TCL Google TV. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how to uninstall app on your TCL Google TV. For that, you simply want to navigate to the app settings. From your TCL Google TV, go to the settings menu and navigate to the app section. Now within the settings, find and locate the app section. And once you actually do it, so you want to find the particular app that you want to remove. You may need to scroll through a list of downloaded apps as well. Select the app and then look for an options to remove app or uninstall it. Once you do it, so follow on the on-screen prompt to confirm the app removal. And once you do it, so you'll have successfully uninstall or remove your apps on your TCL Google TV. So that is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.